You need to watch this if your Jeep's AC is blowing hot air. Let's fix that, shall we? Okay, so your Jeep Grand Cherokee's air conditioner isn't working. First off, don't panic. There are a few common reasons for this issue. Number 1, low refrigerant levels. This is the cooling fluid that makes your AC work. If it's low, your AC can't cool the air properly. Number 2, a faulty compressor. Think of the compressor as the heart of your AC system. If it's not pumping, your AC isn't cooling. Number 3, electrical problems. Loose wires or blown fuses can mess with your AC's ability to function. Number 4, a clogged air filter. If your filter is dirty, airflow gets restricted and your AC struggles to cool your Jeep. And finally, number 5, broken fans. Your AC relies on fans to move air. If they're not working, neither is your AC. So, there you have it. 5 common reasons why your Jeep Grand Cherokee's AC might be acting up. Always remember, a quick check can save you from a hot ride. Got more car questions? Hit that subscribe button for more tips and tricks. Stay cool.